How to claim daily credit on Temu. This tutorial will guide you through the process of claiming daily credit on Temu, a platform that allows users to earn credits for future purchases. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your credit balance and make the most out of your Temu experience. So let's get started. So first, open the Temu app. After you open the Temu app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already opened and logged in. If your account is logged in, tap the search bar. While we are in the search bar, type Claim Credit. As you can see, this event has expired as of now. Maybe in the future, the promos can be active again. So make sure that you are up to date on the events to participate in and claim credits. By following these steps, you can effectively claim daily credits on Temu, boosting your credit balance for future purchases. Remember to set daily reminders and stay updated with any app changes to maximize your benefits. Happy shopping!